Hello student, welcome to the chemical kinetics lecture part 6, and in this lecture I will teach you integrated rate law for phase of reaction, gas phase reaction. In previous video I had taught you integrated rate law for first order reaction, and in this video I will teach you integrated rate law for phase reaction. For gas phase, consider a general reaction, that is A, it is in gas, it gives B plus C. One reactant A, it gives two products B and C, all are in gas phase. Let initial pressure of A be P1, and that decreases by x within time t. Initial pressure of A is P1 and it decreases by x within time t. Then pressure of reactant A at time t, that is PA, it is equals to P1 minus x. At time t, the pressure decreases by x, so PA is equals to P1 minus x. And the pressure of products, that is B and C, at time t are PB and PC, and PB is equals to PC is equals to x. The total pressure at time t is then P is equals to PA plus PB plus PC. So value of PA is P1 minus x, value of PB is x, and plus PC is also x, and it is equals to P1, this x and x get cancelled, P1 plus x. Total pressure is equals to P1 plus x, and therefore x is equals to P minus P1. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. PA is obtained by substitution of equation 2 into equation 1. Value of x is P minus P1. We should put this x in this. So PA is equals to P1 minus x, and value of x is P minus P1. So P1 minus P minus P1, and it is equals to 2P1 minus P. This is in bracket P minus P1. Then we should solve this bracket. It is equals to P1 minus P minus plus P1, and it is equals to 2P1 minus P. The value of PA is 2P1 minus P. And as you know, the integrated rate law for first order reaction, K is equals to 2.303 upon T into log of base 10 of A0, that is initial concentration, upon AT, final concentration. And A0 is equals to, that is concentration of A0 is equals to P1, that is initial pressure. In gas phase we are taking pressures, not concentrations. So A0 is equals to P1 and AT is equals to 2P1 minus P, or it is equals to PA. Then put these values of A0 and AT in this equation. We get K is equals to 2.303 upon T into log of base 10 of initial concentration is, that is pressure, P1 upon 2P1 minus P. And this is the integrated rate law for phase reaction, gas phase reaction. Okay, P is the total pressure of the reaction mixture at time T. This P is total pressure and P1 is initial pressure. So if we know the initial pressure and total pressure of the reactant, then we can calculate the constant, rate constant. Okay. Now second equation is integrated rate law for zero order reaction. Integrated rate law for zero order reaction. Consider a general reaction A. It gives product and rate is equals to minus dA upon dt, and it is equals to K into A raised to 0. A raised to 0, that is equals to minus dA upon dt is equals to K, because A raised to 0 is 1. So it is equals to K, and therefore dA is equals to minus K into dt. K into dt. This cross multiplication, equation 1. Then integrating equation 1 with respect to A0 to AT, dA initial is A0, limits, these are the limits A0 to AT, and it is equals to minus K is constant, and integration of dt 0 to T. Then AT upon A0, integration of this is equals to minus K into T. And in terms of substitution, we can take AT minus A0 is equals to minus KT. And if we remove these signs, then KT is equals to, change this A0 minus AT. A0 minus AT is equals to KT, and K is equals to A0 minus AT upon T, and this is the integrated rate law for zero order reaction. Integrated rate law for zero order reaction is depend on initial concentration and final concentration and time taken for the reaction, and unit of K is mole per liter per second. That is time. It should be in second or hours or minutes. So you can write T only, T minus. Okay. Time is measured in second, minute or hours. So its unit of K is mole per liter per time, that is second. And in dm cube also we can write mole per dm cube per time, mole per dm cube per time. And in next video I will teach you half life for first order and half life for zero order. Thanks for watching.